And here's a tape looks like Finding Graceland. I just pop in the VCR and did pretty good in my DD. Yeah. And was put on the 25th week of 1999.
Yay, the movie's starting.
Coming soon to home video. The following previous after the VHS Motion Picture Association America.
From the commanding officer of the Royal Naval College at Osborne, reporting the theft of a 5-shilling postal order was cashed by your son, Cadet Ronald Arthur Winslow, that they must therefore request you to withdraw your son from the college.
If you did it, you must tell me. Did you steal this postal order?
No, Father, I didn't.
From acclaimed writer-director, David Mamet.
Father's fight was for the boy's honor.
But I venture to think the case has rather wider implications than that.
One cannot soothe the crowd.
I intend to fight this monstrosity. Every weapon at my disposal.
Catherine Winslow.
Robert Morton. How's the best?
The best in this case is not Morton.
Then why does everyone say he is?
No one need ever have known about Osborne if you hadn't shouted it out to the whole world.
But isn't it already too late? Even if we throw out the case, would you still want to marry the Winslow girl?
Well, that will blow over in time.
I'm rather surprised that a case of this sort should interest you.
My attitude has been the same as yours, a determination to win at all costs. Our concern for the boy might perhaps tarnish the reputation of Lord Nelson.
Sir Robert is going to ask you a few questions which you must answer truthfully, as you always have done.
I suggest that by continuing to deny your guilt, you are causing great hardship to your family and considerable annoyance to high and important persons in this country.
I didn't.
You're a forger, a liar, and a thief.
No, it isn't true. None of it's true.
Oh yes, the boy is being innocent. Are we both mad, you and I?
Tell me.
Should we drop the whole thing?
I don't consider that a serious question.
Nigel Hawthorne, Rebecca Pigeon, Jeremy Northam, Jenna Jones, and Guy Edwards.
And where did your other...
The Winslow Boy.
A toast to the happy pair.
Doesn't it say, let right be done?
Then we must endeavor to see that it is.
The new film by David Mamet.
Now available on home video. Following previous after the VHS Motion Picture Association America.
Lincoln, you are...
Honey, let me finish off the roll, okay? By the lilacs, it'll take just a second. Here we go.
Bimbo, bologna is for eating, not washing windows. I want you to hold Ben's hand real tight.
If someone you loved disappeared from your life,
He's old. He has blonde hair and blue eyes.
how long would you search?
You've got to survive this. I don't want to survive, Ben.
How hard would you fight?
Kids don't just vanish up in smoke. Kids don't just get lost. People lose them.
And how much would you give for just one chance to make your world whole again?
He's probably just some kid who looks like Ben.
I saw you, did he?
Yep,
I had no idea. But he was 3 and he
that film's starting.
You folks ready for this?
Don't get ready for this.
The fingerprints match.
Mandalay Entertainment presents
You don't have to ring the bell. This is your house. Okay. Can I have some milk, please?
You do milk with pizza.
Yeah. I like milk with pizza.
a story about starting over.
That was a great fake.
Me and my dad have been working on it all year.
He doesn't know who we are. He doesn't remember us.
Sam's gonna be fine. He's gonna get through this. It's you.
The struggles that make us stronger.
And I'm sick of this whole thing.
How's it going with Prince and Sam?
It's just gonna take some time.
I don't even know who you are, man. Sam, whatever the hell your name is.
And the love that makes us family.
Are you remembering something?
He loves you. Have you never seen the way that he looks at you? All I want is for us to be a family.
You're my brother. I missed you.
Michelle Pfeiffer, Treat Williams, Whoopi Goldberg, from the beloved best-selling novel, The Deep End of the Ocean.
Following pre-sales revises and Motion Picture Association America.
Driven by a distant memory,
We used to be one of the biggest tobacco plantations in King and Queen County.
he journeyed to the place of his dreams.
There's the girl. Eyes are riding over the chicken.
He says he walks from Alabama.
Alabama? That's near about 600 miles.
Imagine that.
He returned to the family.
You're gonna be just fine.
Well, we damn well should have kept on walking there.
Now, sure, there ain't no way to be talking about your kinfolk.
He once called his own. And now, the last request of a stranger
She wants you to bury him.
Bury him? How can I bury him? He ain't even dead yet.
He wants to die on Gamble Grove.
connects them to their past.
He was a slave. And he was born on this place.
The man has no family.
No, I'm all he got.
And shows them the truth
You came all that way just to be there for these people.
that brings them together. On a journey of the heart,
Shadrach.
Yep,
Shadrach.
he
I'm going to watch this film soon.
Harvey Keitel, Andy McDowell, Shadrach. Behind the smile
What about my mom?
I like her.
and beyond the friendship
She's a wonderful, wonderful girl, and I love her.
hides a woman
You have to be so careful of Martha. What?
with a deadly obsession.
You bad girl, you found me out.
Jessica Lange, Gwyneth Paltrow.
Your mother tried to kill me last night. Am I completely crazy?
Hush.
We don't want any accidents happening.
Rated PG-13.
Yep, I've watched Hush.